Okay, so here we have the usual Rufus and Dewey playtime. Yeah, I know, Bluey. Now, you're supposed to be the ambassador of goodwill for the little guy, right? And shall we go check him out? And meanwhile, look at this fellow. Hey, babe. Piglet. Oh, Piglet. Piglet. We're all nice, baby. Come. Come on. Okay. We're waiting. And now there's Rufus coming to smell. I can't really show this. There we are. Good enough. So he's on the other side. And I'm letting him stay there so he can understand that we're all nice, friendly, non-dangerous creatures. And yes, Max. And of course I have the two partners in crime here. Guys, how come you're quiet? Everybody's very relaxed. And what's interesting is that they're very respectful. Nobody's going over there to call their little guy. Little Piglet, sorry. Piglet! Come on, sweetie. Can you see him? There he is. Look. Hoi, hoi, hoi. Piglet, Piglet. Hi, sweetheart. Yes, you see, we're nice. Here we are. Oh! Okay. Not very easy to videotape with all the dogs. Extremely curious. But, well, there we go. You get the idea. Look, everyone's very calm. Eventually he's going to come out and say hi to us. And the moment he does that, then we can go in the house. There we go again. It's so much fun. Yes.